welcome back to another video. Exciting day today. We're back at Iconic Auto Styling. We're going to be picking up the G80. Finally, it's been about a week and a half. So let's head inside, see how the car looks, and we'll show you guys a little bit more of what we did to it. This is the first time it's been this clean since I got the car. That looks crazy, to be honest. I didn't know the wheels could look that clean. While they're finishing up some last minute details on the car, I did get this to protect some parts of the interior. Since we're protecting the rest of the car, we might as well install this right now as well. So as you're getting in and out of this car, obviously you're gonna be sliding your butt against this bolster right here. And over time, you could see I have a little bit of creasing in the leather right here, but over time, what you could do is actually rip some of this leather. So to protect it, now if you guys can tell, this is basically like a cover that you can put around here. Now, the color match isn't perfect, but I'm gonna take it. It's here to protect it more than anything. So, yeah, you can tell that it's a little bit different in terms of color, but like I said, it's mainly for protection. So, I'll take it off whenever I need to and keep it on when I need to and so on. And I got one for the other side because when passengers are getting in and out of the car. Got it on both sides, so now when people are sliding their butts in and out of the car, they're not going to be rubbing against the actual seat, they'll be rubbing against this. And yeah, the color is a little bit off. It is bothering me a little bit, I'm not gonna lie, but you get what you paid for. I only paid $100 for this off AliExpress. The real ones were around 300, and I was not about to spend that much money on a little piece of leather. So this is gonna do just fine. And like I said, I'll just take it off whenever I need to go to a car meet or something.
Is it inside? Find out.
See if it starts.
Nope.
If you're watching this, they're working on your car right now as we speak. This thing is clean. Let's see, one second, a little bit. Ooh, okay, that's it. We're not gonna do much, but yeah, I just wanted to see it. What is this? Oh, it's kind of cool. This is one of my friend's cars. Since I was coming to Iconic, I suggested that he also come here. Christian and the guys here at Iconic gave us a great deal on the work. So his car's here for a full front end, and I think right now they're in the middle of detailing it prior to the PPF install. He's gonna do the fenders, bumper, hood, all that. And then we're also gonna have another car showing up here, maybe even two, to get some PPF work done on their cars as well. So the guys here, super nice, willing to take on all the homies and work on their cars as well. But excited to see this thing when it's fully kind of like cleaned up and PPF done on here as well. And you guys will probably see this car a lot more on the channel pretty soon here as well.
That's what I'm saying on this side.
Okay.
Kind of show you. So basically, pretty much this is supposed to represent, this light right here is supposed to represent the sun.
Okay.
And whatnot. So if you were to put your hand right here, you can kind of like feel
the heat
on like a hot summer day.
Yep.
And whatnot. And with regular film, this is regular film. Put that through.
Yeah, okay, a lot less.
Yeah, well, you can still kind of feel it.
Yeah.
Regular film. However, with ceramic film, it's a little bit, and this is 70%, so it's pretty clear. And
oh, that's a world of a difference.
Yeah. It's like you can almost immediately tell.
Yeah.
It's not gonna block 100% of the heat, but the majority of it for sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that's probably something that I want then, because
exactly.
I want the fishbowl look, but I just don't want the sun beaming down my arms and my face.
Yeah, exactly.
That's tough though.
Perfect.
This thing is cool.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. This thing's sick. Those are all the wrap colors and whatnot.
Yeah, so if you guys are ever looking to get your car wrapped, these are all the different colors that they have. But yeah, appreciate it, man.
Yeah, for sure.
They're just finishing up some last minute details on the car, making sure that all the PPF is good to go. before I take it home. So
super consistent, and I'm happy with how it came out. We did like a hybrid install in a way, like we pre-cut a few panels, but the majority of them we did by hand. We did with bulk install, so it came out the same.
yeah, honestly, if you guys see this car, you cannot see any of the seam lines anywhere on the car.
Yeah, no black trimming all the way around. Did you notice?
No, not at all. So all that is PPF2 and ceramic?
And ceramic.
Nice. So everything is basically protected. So the few parts that we didn't do on this car are the rear diffuser, side skirts, and basically like the front black trim on the bumper. And the reason for that is because everything is just gonna get replaced. And we also didn't do the grille. We're gonna replace everything with new carbon. So I told Christian, I was like, hey, don't worry about it. We'll bring the car back when all that gets installed. And then we also didn't ceramic the wheels because we have new wheels coming tomorrow actually. So we'll bring the car back when it's in like phase 2 basically, and we'll get everything redone.
Lining up perfectly.
Yeah, exactly.
Picked it up in PPF, onto the wheels.
Yep. So this car's gonna be looking a lot crazier in the next few months here, which I'm excited for. And we're gonna be coming back and stopping by Iconic a few more times since they're the homies now. So excited for it. Dan told me about this.
Yeah, sticker, right?
They cut the tint on the windshield around the sticker. So if we remove the sticker, you're just gonna see a big square here. But at this point, we're probably just gonna do the ceramic tint that Dan was mentioning in the earlier part of the video. That way we don't have this issue and we can actually get some protection on the car and still have that fishbowl look, which is what I want. So we'll probably be back here for that too.
This is our soap that we use. And this is the wheel cleaner we use. And honestly, with these two products, it'll go a long way cleaning your car. It'll be super easy. The ceramic coating and the PPF is not gonna allow elements to stick onto it. So most of it, the job will be done with the pressure washer, pre-wash, hand wash, and then rinse off.
Okay. And then for that pre-wash, you were saying?
The pre-wash, you can use the same foam.
Oh, okay.
If your car is ceramic coated, we don't need any harsh chemicals on there.
Gotcha.
Everything's pretty much this pH neutral, so it's very friendly with the coating.
So when my brother's car was ceramic, they were basically saying that you need to have a pH neutral soap.
A pH neutral soap, which nowadays most of them are.
Okay.
This is just our one that we like to use. It's not too abrasive. It's not too aggressive, but it gets the job done.
Okay.
With your car being coated, it's gonna be a breeze.
Yeah, that's exactly what I wanted.
And then this is just what we use to top it off. Pretty simple stuff. Other than that, you just want to make sure you have good quality hand mitts, wash mitts. So we like using the Geon
ones? Okay.
Yep.
I have the basic Sam's Club microfibers. So.
Like the green ones? The guys one?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, those will work. Those will work. Your car's protected, so you don't have to worry about scratches or anything like that.
Basically what he's saying is I don't got to wash the car often. And when I do, I don't got to put much effort into it. So.
Yeah, not too much effort at all.
That's exactly what I wanted.
And then in a year from now, we'll do our ceramic coating maintenance wash.
And I think I was talking about it in the last video, but these guys actually do 2 extra washes after the detail and after basic installation so that they can, one, check PPF is good.
Yep, to make sure all of our installs are 100%, and then also just the plus to seeing the car again as well. Make sure the car's clean.
But we're gonna be back here pretty often, like I said, so appreciate you, man.
Yes, sir, bro. I got you, my man.
So this sticker basically shows that we got the car ceramic coated. We can register it on our Carfax so that if we ever sell the car, it's documented that it was ceramic coated, protected, and so on. So it's kind of one of the plus of having the pro ceramic. Yep.
All you gotta do is just scan the QR code and register make your account basically. Put your name and your email. That's why I didn't do it for you.
Okay.
Yep.
And then the other thing, you guys probably will notice that we don't have the spoiler or the M3 badge, mainly because we're probably gonna get a new spoiler soon, so we didn't want to throw that back on. And then we'll get a new M3 badge just so we're not messing up any of the spacing between the 3 different pieces of the badge. So once we get that, we'll probably throw that back on. But overall, the car is looking great. And
Do you have a front plate on the car, bro?
no, I didn't.
Okay, cool. There's always in the trunk then, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So now I guess it's just a matter of breaking the bank and paying these guys. So we'll get out of here after that. I don't think you guys understand how good it feels to have my car back. This is the longest I've been without my own car in a very long time. Usually I have at least one of the other cars, the E30, the Dodge or something. But this car was gone for about a week and a half and I really missed it. But I'm glad now I never have to worry about it like I never had to worry about its protection anymore. With that being said, the guys over at Iconic, super great guys to work with, very friendly, allowed me to record for you guys, get in their way, slow down their process, right? A lot of shops actually said no to me when I originally requested, and Iconic was like, hey, come down, go ahead, shoot, we would love the content too. And yeah, they were easy to work with, and I basically loved the entire process of working with them. In terms of next steps for the car, I can go ahead and throw the new wheels at it, which are gonna be here tomorrow. I think I mentioned it earlier in the video, but those are gonna be here tomorrow. I'm super excited to see those. We don't have tires just yet, so we need to order those. I wasn't thinking that the wheels were gonna come this fast. And then we also need to start focusing on the E30. The E30 is waiting for some love. I posted the first E30 rebuild video today. If you guys haven't seen the shirts, that's actually one of the shirts that I'm wearing. You can see it's an E30 unfinished business shirt. We're gonna start working on that car. We're gonna start working on that car a little bit more and get that thing looking as clean as this car is. So that's what to expect in the next few videos. Hopefully you guys stay tuned and are enjoying this process of the G80 E30 and everything. And I appreciate you guys watching. So with that, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.